Hey everyone, and welcome back. Look, let's be honest about robot vacuums. They're amazing, right? But they have major issues. Hair constantly tangles the brush roll. They can't reach dirt along the edges, and the base stations, they need constant cleaning. It's frustrating, right? Well, what if I told you there's a robot vacuum designed to solve all those problems and give you back your weekends? Meet the Eureka J15 Ultra. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a fully automated cleaning system, and today, we're putting its game-changing features to the test. Let's go. We're kicking things off with one of the most brilliant innovations, the Flexi Razor Tangle-Free System. If you have pets or long hair, you know the pain of constantly cutting hair out of the brush. The J15 Ultra eliminates that chore entirely. It has a specialized mechanism that automatically cuts and removes hair wrap 400 times per minute, reducing hair on the brush roll by 99%. Once the vacuum goes inside the base station, it uses the Flexi Razor to cut up all the hairs that it has picked up, so that way your roller brush is free from hairs. So you can see how there's no hairs trapped on this roller brush. Next is the edge problem. Most robots leave a gap, but the J15 Ultra features Scrub Extend Edge Cleaning. Look how the mop arm automatically flexes outward when it senses a wall edge or furniture leg. This proprietary swing arm mop achieves 99% edge coverage with 7 newtons of downward pressure, ensuring a complete zero gap clean right up to the wall. This robot is smart. The IntelliView AI system uses RGB, LiDAR, and a laser to intelligently detect and navigate around over 150 types of objects. But the AI does more than just avoid shoes. It classifies messes. If it detects a wet spill, it adjusts its strategy to prioritize mopping with hot water. So once the robot recognizes a spill, the spinning brush shuts off and it just uses the mop feature just to mop up the liquid mess. And it goes over it just to make sure everything is nice and clean. So you can see here that it goes over it a few times and it sucks up all the liquid mess. This feature is a game changer for mixed homes. Meet carpet-friendly Flexi Rise. The J15 Ultra senses the carpet and automatically lifts the mop head to avoid wetting the fabric. If the robot is smart, the station is even smarter. This all-in-one self-maintenance station gives you up to 75 days of hands-free use. It automatically empties the dust bag, washes the mop with 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, and dries it with 131 degrees Fahrenheit hot air to prevent mildew and smells. Just swap the dust bags once every couple of months and you're done. Finally, the Eureka app is your mission control. You get multi-level 3D mapping, custom scheduling, and even smart cleaning modes. And yes, you can use the remote video supervision feature to check on your pets when you're away. Plus, it fully supports voice assistant control with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. Alright, that's the Eureka J15 Ultra. This robot vacuum truly lives up to its name. If your current robot struggles with hair, leaves dirty edges, or constantly needs you to maintain the base station, the J15 Ultra is the solution you've been waiting for. With its powerful 19,000 PA suction, the incredible Scrub Extend Edge Cleaning, and the 75 days of hands-free automation, the J15 Ultra is the ultimate robot vacuum upgrade for your home. Don't wait to simplify your cleaning routine. Go get yours today. You can search for Eureka J15 Ultra on Amazon or click the link in the description right now. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the best smart home tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.